A new Pag-ibig Fund office has been opened in Basilan to enhance service accessibility. The office will assist with membership registration and provide support to local residents, business owners, and workers, aiming to better serve the increasing number of members in the area. Philippine Information Agency Isabela City de Basilan's Nilda de los Reyes tells us more.
The Pag-ibig Home Development Mutual Fund has officially inaugurated its new member service office in Isabela City recently. The office aims to enhance access to its services for the benefit of the residents of Basilan. The new office is located on the second floor of the Cyberzone building within the PCC complex. Evelyn Tindahan, head of the Pag-ibig Zamboanga branch, expressed enthusiasm about the new location.
We are happy to inform the public that Pag-ibig Fund Isabela is now open, officially open to serve our clientele in the whole province of Basilan, especially the clients from Isabela City. So, nandito po ang Pag-ibig to serve our members. Yung mga services po natin ay membership po ng Pag-ibig Fund based on RA 9679, mandatorily or universal coverage na po si Pag-ibig. So, we encourage everyone, since nandito na po si Pag-ibig sa Isabela, na magpa-register na po sila kay Pag-ibig Fund. Lahat po ng mga may businesses, mga barangay officials, mga self-employed individuals, at saka po yung mga establishment natin, at saka yung mga employed individuals.
On behalf of the labor sector, Marlene Anuos, Chief of the Department of Labor and Employment, Isabela City Field Office, welcomed the new service office, citing it as a significant support for workers in the province.
We are very happy to welcome the new Member Service Office of Pag-ibig Fund in Isabela City. Bahagi ito ng efforts ng Isabela City Tripartite Industrial Peace Council to help our employees, residents of Isabela, and especially Pag-ibig members.
According to Pag-ibig Fund data, there are currently 1,272 paying employers and 2,663 contributing members in Basilan. From the Philippine Information Agency, Isabela City, de Basilan, Nilda de los Reyes for Balitang Pambansa.